Early in the relationship between client and attorney at Sutton Law Firm, we want to make sure that we're clear on what the client's goals and expectations are so that we can manage those throughout the process and then formulate a plan with their various options going forward.
To make sure that they have a wonderful client experience from the beginning when they call, I set an appointment with them that's agreeable to their schedule and hours, and let them know what they can expect and to come in ahead of time. I feel very blessed and very honored to be a part of Sutton Law Firm team. I'm a people person, so one of the favorite things that I would say is that I get to be out front and I get to communicate and interact with the clients and their families.
I love working at Sutton Law Firm. The main thing that even walking in for my interview was just the kindness that you're shown, true hospitality. They truly care not only for their staff, but for every client. I think for them to be able to see and to keep up with the progress of their case helps them to know that we are actively working and taking care of their case in the right manner and in the time frame that we should.
Sometimes we have clients that come in and they're angry because they feel like they're being taken advantage of by the other side. Sometimes we have clients that come in and they're hurt, and I feel like, we have the opportunity to ease their fears and at least give them a sense of knowing that they've chosen the right firm, and that part is going to be their safe zone.
Being collaborative in a law firm is a must. It has to be done really well and the communication has to be there or the process doesn't work. Working with Sutton Law Firm is pretty much a dream come true. The employers that I have are so nice, and the biggest thing for me to come here is having a family environment to work with and also being able to help somebody through a really tough situation.
I've had people yell and scream at me. I've had people cry on me. We just support them emotionally. We support them with knowledge, because knowledge really helps you understand what you're going through and why you're going through it. And I always tell people the first part of it is the worst. They have to provide a lot of documents for us. It's very labor intensive, but once we get through the first hurdles, it's actually a pretty smooth process.
We believe that the work we perform here at Sutton Law Firm is very important. We're driven by our passion for families, our commitment to families, and doing the best we can to preserve those relationships, to make sure children are in a good place, to be sure that parents are in a good place, and to provide them with tools to get there.